Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video we are going to learn how to add custom brand colors in Snappa. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to snappa.com. Start by logging into your Snappa account and open the project you want to edit. I'm just going to use the template from here. When you select any element on a design such as text, background or graphic, on the left side will display the color option. Click on the color box to open the color picker. In the color picker, you'll see default palettes of color. To add a brand color, click on the edit icon and click on the plus icon here. Enter the hex code for your brand color in the text tool or use the color picker to manually select the shade you want. You can add multiple brand color using the specific hex code. For example, the hex code for orange color is FF5733. After that, click on Save Color. Snappa will save the color as custom in the color picker for future use. Go to the custom. You can see the saved color here. Click on it to apply. After adding a custom color, you can easily apply them to text, background icon or other elements. By following these steps, you can easily incorporate and use any custom brand color in Snappa, ensuring a design are consistent with your brand visual style. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.